Bhaskaran Vasudevan is asking that I'm 65, I've invested some money in FDs and are due for mature shortly. Now that FD rates have fallen, what advice would you give? Renewal or other options? I'd say very difficult to find higher yields, but you are 65-year-old. There are some options only for old people above 60, which you are entitled to. Senior Citizen Savings Scheme, consider that if you haven't invested already. Maximum you can invest in 15 lakh rupee for yourself and another 15 lakh rupee for your spouse. Other thing is post office MIP. These are safest and highest yielding investment avenue, fixed income investment avenue for anybody in India. Of course, it comes with a rider of maximum and old age, a senior citizen. Then comes, I will have a recommendation only if you're not going to, if this is not a primary source of your income, because if you invest your money, and it is also a function of how experienced you are. Do you have any experience of investing in market-linked investment, any mutual fund or a balanced fund or a balanced advantage fund or anything like that? And if you are fine with the ups and downs, then it's fine. Otherwise, then only I would say that consider equity savings fund. They are a much steadier take on growth. They are the very small part, a third of your money will be invested in equity, rest in fixed income. Fixed income tends to be far more stable. Fixed income also potentially can give you marginally better return than fixed deposit. The third advantage of this will be that you're not liable to pay any taxes, or there won't be any TDS till you actually withdraw the money, because all your income kind of return when invested in mutual fund, though it is derived in the form of income, the underlying is of the nature of income, but it is treated as capital gains, which is very beneficial tax wise. So I would say that consider equity savings funds only and be very selective about it. There are a large number of funds, but all of them are not good. Very few are very good. Look at our best funds guide, maybe the premium account, as and when very shortly it will be up. You will be able to get good recommendations there. And if it's a large sum of money spread in 2 or 3, I don't think we have more than 2 or 3 to offer you, which we like.